Why does your scanner show the P0020 engine code? What does it mean? P0020 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake camshaft position, a actuator circuit open bank 2. This engine code indicates that this code is triggered when the engine's computer, PCM, detects a voltage issue in the variable valve timing, VVT system, affecting performance and fuel efficiency. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty VVT solenoid. Wiring issues. Low oil pressure or incorrect oil. Dirty oil sludge. Faulty camshaft position sensor. Malfunctioning ECU or PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota, Honda, Chevrolet, and Nissan models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.